Welcome back to Village Family. My name is Elena, like most of you guys know already, yeah? And today I'm gonna bring you guys the second part of this video, this challenge that I was doing for 10 days. Yes, and before I'm gonna start to say anything about this challenge, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video because it's important, yeah? And there's a lot of people in doubt. I start to prepare some stuff here for you guys, but before I'm gonna start to speak about this challenge that's gonna finish, was supposed to finish today, but I'm gonna finish tomorrow. I'm gonna say something to you guys. This time didn't work that well for me. Normally when I do, I'm like very concentrated. Yes, I'm gonna do it, yes. I was prepared to do that, yeah. But, you know, I go to work, then my colleagues, they call me, Elena, come. They have a surprise. There's a big slice of chocolate cake there waiting for me. I said, guys, you guys know that I'm on this challenge, this diet, and I cannot eat nothing. Elena, please, I was on your birthday, I eat your cake. Why you don't gonna do this to me? I said, oh my God, okay, I'm gonna eat your cake. I ate the cake, guys. I ate the cake. I was so good all day. Was day 3 of this challenge. I was so good all day. When I go there, guys, I ate the chocolate cake. The chocolate cake was so good. For me, the chocolate cake, I do an amazing chocolate cake. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. My chocolate cake, I love it so much, yeah. But this chocolate cake was dry, it was everything, but was good. I don't gonna lie. Maybe because I was hungry, maybe because I was on a diet, yeah. And I ate the cake. It was on Wednesday, yeah. I was like, okay, Elena, you know what to do this. When you do bad stuff on one day, you cheat on one day, next day you need to go focus on what you need to do. You need to start again, do it. And I done it. Next day, I ate just the chocolate cake and didn't done the juice, I didn't done nothing because I was like, oh my God, what I done? Yeah, next day, I start again with juice. Yeah, this is what you need to do. Yeah, I start with the juice again. Then what's happened? Camila's birthday came on Friday. Sorry guys, don't criticize me. Like I said to you guys, what I'm doing is for me. It's me that I'm doing this cheat on me. Yeah, I was supposed to do like proper way, but yeah. Okay, Camila's birthday came and I said, okay, it's 1 year. It's one year. It's 1 day per year that my daughter's is her birthday. What I'm going to do? I'm gonna eat my daughter's cake. Why not? Yes, I ate the Camila's cake. I spent all day fasting. I didn't eat nothing for me to enjoy at night with my daughter. Yeah, I was fasting all day because I knew that I'm gonna, yeah. All day I didn't eat nothing. Then it was around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, yeah. 7 something. We sing happy birthday to Camila and I ate the cake. Guys, oh my God, another. I was like, oh my God, where this came from? The cake, Camila's cake was and Camila, she's too much with the cake. She loves cake so much. When I go there to take a second slice, she was like, Mom, it's my cake. It's my cake. Because she invites some people and the people was eating the cake. Yeah, she start to see the cake is gonna disappear and she's not gonna have any left over to eat because she loves cakes. I don't gonna lie. You guys remember, some of you guys, that I was making cake every single day. Not every single day, every weekend I make a cake because my daughter, she loves cakes. Yeah. Yes, and yes, I ate Camila's cake. Okay, it was on Friday. 2 days, one cake. Next day, Camila, okay, we're gonna go to the cinema. Okay, we're gonna go to the cinema. I go to the cinema, I said to myself, oh my God, Elena, you go to the cinema and you don't gonna eat popcorn, cinema popcorn. What is this, Elena? And what I done? You guys want to know as well? I spent, no. I done juice. I was doing juice. Yeah, it was Saturday. I was juice. Then I go to the cinema with the kids. I said, I don't gonna eat a popcorn. I bought the popcorn for them. When I saw my hand was already there, was in my mouth. Then I was eating. I was like, oh my God, I cannot eat popcorn. It was too late. I said, I already ate here. I'm gonna continue. Then I go outside, I bought the popcorn for me as well. Yeah. Okay. popcorn, 2 slices of cake. Yeah. Sunday, I was cleaning my house. I said, okay, I done 3 bad stuff here. My diet, my challenge that I need to show to my people. What I'm gonna, if I weight myself, which way I'm gonna, I need to weight myself. How I'm gonna show them, guys. I said, okay, I'm gonna be fasting all Sunday. I don't gonna eat nothing. Then my special person called me and invite me to go with the kids for us to have a good time in London. And when I go to this to London, yeah, he forgot that I'm on this challenge. He asked what you want to eat, and I ordered some like a soup. It's a prawn soup. It was very tasty. I ate this prawn soup. I'm gonna say to you guys, I didn't done properly the way I normally do. Yeah, I was really bad. Because I know that I don't need to lose that much weight, because like I said to you guys, I'm happy with my body. I'm so happy. The problem to maintain is complicated. Yeah, sometimes we put on weight, yeah, and I put on weight this 3 kg that I said to you guys, but I weighed myself today. I lost them. Yes, I lost. Yes, hallelujah. I lost this 3 kg that I gained. Yeah, and people ask me about the machine that I use. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. This is my juice machine that I use. This is a new one. Normally, before I had one that I was using for years, yeah, but it's broken. I bought a new one. This one I bought on Amazon. I don't remember, it was £30 or 35. I don't remember. Yeah, but I bought on Amazon. If I'm gonna try to get the link, then I'm gonna leave on my Instagram. If you guys are welcome to go there and click on the link for you guys to buy, if you guys want to buy the same. Yeah, this one is very easy to clean, very easy. You just need to, oh my god, I'm doing like this, I cannot do this. Okay, yeah, I see it. Yes, very easy. It's full. You take the rubbish, put on a bin, and use again. The other one that I had before was very complicated. We need to take everything out to take the rubbish, because it's get full. When it's full, the juice don't gonna work properly. You guys need to start all the time to check, or you're gonna have a smooth. I don't like smooths. When it's green juice, I don't like it. I like smooths, but different ones. Yeah. Okay, this is my machine. Like I said to you guys, maybe I'm gonna leave the link for you guys on my Instagram for you guys to buy, if you guys want to buy. Yeah, and I'm gonna start to show you guys what I have here, what I'm gonna use today. Okay, and like I said to you guys, don't criticize me. What I'm doing is for me. It's not for you. It's not for anyone else. If I cheat 1 day or 2 days, I don't cheat to anyone. I cheat with myself. It's me that I didn't follow my goal. I didn't follow what I was supposed to do. Okay, guys. Okay. Don't come and say, did you guys remember I made that video? People criticize me a lot, but it's okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay, what I have here, these 2 juices that I'm gonna make, they are my favorite one, yeah, my favorite one. This one is with pineapple. I need to use this pineapple because I forgot this. This one I'm gonna use all the pineapple, yeah. Normally I use like a 3 slices of pineapple, like 3 slices here. Big one, big chunk, and 1 apple, ginger. I don't have mint here. Normally I use mint as well, and water. Yes, but I'm gonna show you guys. This is one juice that I do that I really like so much. I don't mind to drink this all day. This one as well. The amount is your choice, guys. Is your choice. If you want to use more watermelon, you can use more watermelon, but the important is this: 1 lemon and ginger. Yeah, I have aquí a big slice of watermelon because I like it. This is why I'm gonna use this massive slice. Okay, this recipe that I'm gonna show you guys, I showed you guys last time, and I said this amount that I have here, I'm gonna make 2 liters of juice. These 2 liters that I'm gonna drink all day, everything in one go. No, you can drink slowly, 2 liters, yeah? Okay, I have 2 lemons. This is 1 celery. Whole 1 celery. 2 cucumber, and this cavallo negro. Cavallo negro, you put the amount that you like to put it. Yeah, I put normal 8 or more. Yeah, apples. Yeah, 5 apples, 2 lemon, big chunk of ginger, celery, cucumber, this, and I'm gonna show you the one more thing. Now it's complete. And this one, this is the spinach, 2 big full hand of spinach. Yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna make now the juice for you guys. Yeah, for you guys to see. Let's start with the juice, guys. Normally I start with celery. I have here just the celery juice. Some people, they drink just celery, it's good as well. But for me, I don't like celery. I use because I need to use on this juice here. This is one all celery juice here. Like you guys can see, it's a little bit full already, and I need to put this in a bin, or it's gonna start to, yeah, don't gonna work properly, the machine. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in a bin. Some people that I saw before, like vegan people, vegetarian, they do like crackers with this leftover. Yeah, I done this before, long time ago, and yes, I didn't like the taste. The juice is ready. This is what you're gonna drink all day. All day, guys, you're gonna drink this. Normal breakfast, like you divide, yeah? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, yeah? This is gonna be your food. Okay, we're gonna start with I can say smooth, yeah? And I'm gonna use my NutriBullet that I have here. This is my old one. Amazing baby. This one is gonna be nearly 10 years is with me. I love it. Love it. Now I'm gonna start with pineapple, ginger, pineapple, one apple, and the lemon. Water. Shame I don't have mint at home, yeah, because give a good flavor as well. I don't have. And I'm gonna put some water. Some people, they use coconut water, but I don't. This is the maximum of water that I'm gonna put. This is the okay. Yes, the amount of water. Watermelon, the chunk of ginger, lemon, This one is like this, I don't need to put water. Food. It's a food here, guys. And what's gonna happen with this? Oh my God, what a sacrifice. This one, you need to mix this properly. This is what you're gonna use all day. But I'm gonna say something to you guys. And normally I don't use all of this. I only drink the green juice and sometimes the watermelon one. This one I don't use, like, you don't need, yeah? And you can have this 2 liters of green juice, and the watermelon one as well is 1 liter, and 2 liters of water per day. This is what you need this is what you need. Okay, my beautiful people, I'm gonna finish with this challenge. Today gonna be the last day, and tomorrow I'm gonna weigh myself. I'm gonna put my weight here for you guys to see how much I lost. Even if I done like things like I didn't follow what I was supposed to do, but I'm gonna put the weight for you guys to see how much I lost, okay? Because some days I done it properly, the proper way, okay? Now I'm cooking for my kids. I'm doing some tuna salad. They love so much with the pasta and everything. They love this salad so much. I make it for them before I'm gonna go to work. But I'm gonna go with my juice, okay? Thank you to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It's important. Like I said, I'm gonna say this to you guys all the time. And yes, okay? Bye bye, guys. See you guys next time with the different stuff now. Bye.